How to download, install, and set up Folder Lock. Go to newsoftwares.net on your PC. Click on the Desktop tab and select Folder Lock to open its main page. Click on Get it for download to start downloading Folder Lock. Once the download is complete, open the file and click Start Setup to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. After installation, click Finish to complete the setup. If you're downloading Folder Lock for the first time, click on Create Account. Provide a valid email address for account registration. Choose a strong password and re-enter it to confirm. A verification code will be sent to your email. Copy the verification code from your email and paste it into the required field. Click OK to finalize your account setup. Your account is now created, and the Folder Lock main screen will open. Thanks for watching.